This is lesson number 3. We're going to do pages 14 and 15 in the Alfred book. There's lots of information here, and you can read that on your own. I'm going on to the bottom of the page. They give you the C, they're writing the letter C there, but notice now they've taken the letter names out. Okay, here's a C, there's a C. There's a D, that's a D. Bottom line E, bottom line E. Second space F, second space F. Second line G, second line G. And the same notes on the way down. That's still the G. Go down a step to F, down a step to E, down a step to D, down a step to C. Here we go. Beginning, 2, 3, and C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C. Let's do that again. Ready? Go. C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C. Now I'm going to do it without saying the notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. As we go on to the next page, we look at number 5. Number 5 just has C's, E's, and G's. Just the notes on the lines, which makes it a little easier to learn the notes because it's easier to see the difference between the C, which is on the ledger line, the E, which is on the bottom line, and the G, which is on the second line. They give you the names of the notes first 3, and then they take them away. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. C, E, G, E, C, E, G, E, G, E, C. So you have to be careful when you're doing that G down to E, then you go back up to G. Let's do it again. Ready? Go. C, E, G, E, C, E, G, E, G, E, C. And now I'll do it without saying the notes. 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to go on to number 6. 6 is just dealing with the 2 notes that we know that are on the spaces, D's and F's. Again, they write it in for the first 2 notes. Space below the staff is D. First space on the staff is F. Here we go. And it's just fingers 2 and 4. That's all. Ready? Go. D, F, D, F, F, D, D, F, D, F, D. Let's do that again. Ready? Go. D, F, D, F, F, D, D, F, D, F, D. Now play it without saying the notes. Again, you can keep saying the notes. Ready? 2, 3, 4. Then we get to number 7. What happens in number 7 is we're basically taking these 2 and splicing them together. So we start with CE, CE, DF, DF, EG, EG. Now we're just going to go up and we're only going to go that far. Let's just say it first. Ready? Go. C, E, D, F, E, G. Sometimes it's easier to say the song first before actually playing it. Then you're only focusing on the notes, not worrying about the fingers. Now we're going to add the fingers. Ready? Go. C, E, D, F, E, G. Now the way this book was designed was you'd immediately go back down. But I found it was a lot easier to go up to the G, then repeat the G, and come back down. Because it's the same thing going down as it was going up, just backwards. So let's just practice going down. So we start on G, let's say it, and there's our note, and G, E, F, D, E, C. Let's say it and play it. Ready? Go. G, E, F, D, E, C. One more time. Ready? Go. G, E, F, D, E, C. And once you practice going up and practice going down, then you can put the whole thing together. Here we go. Ready? And C, E, D, F, E, G, G, E, F, D, E, C. Now I'll do it without saying the notes. 2, 3, 4. The second line of number 7 is the same as this, just backwards. So once you know how to do this, going up and down, then you know how to do going down and going up. And when you practice this one, then it's good to repeat the C, just like repeated the G there to make it easier. But we're going to go on right now with number 8. This is actually one of the simplest ones on the page, because we have, those are C's, that ledger line, 2 C's, 2 D's, 2 E's, 2 F's, 2 G's. Here we go. Let's say it and play it. Ready? Go. C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G. Again. Ready? Go. C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G. Now without me saying them. 2, 3, 4.